Hello, everybody. Let's continue with Unit 7, Lesson 2, pages 186 to 191 in your Grammar Explorer 2 textbook. We're going to continue with the future, but in this lesson, we are going to look at how we use the simple present to talk about the future, specifically future schedules, and how we use the present progressive for future plans. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we saw will and be going to for the future. But now we're going to look at two other ways to talk about the future. Let's begin with the simple present and future schedules. So we can use the simple present to talk about the future. We use it for events that are scheduled or on a timetable. For example, next semester starts on January 15th. So this is the future, right? Because we say next semester, but we don't have to use be going to or will. We actually use the simple present because it's a schedule. So next semester starts on January 15th. Our flight leaves at 10:45. Again, this is a schedule or a timetable, so we can use the simple present to talk about the future. Some more examples for you. The bus arrives in 15 minutes. So again, we don't normally say the bus will arrive or the bus is going to arrive in 15 minutes. You will hear native speakers use the simple present. The bus arrives in 15 minutes. The news begins at 5:30. When does the game start? So the simple present is often used to talk about the future with these verbs. So there's certain verbs that we use. Arrive. For example, your packages arrive tomorrow. Sorry, that should say arrive, not arrives. Your packages arrive today. Begin. Class begins at 6:30 p.m. tonight. Close. The bank closes at 4 p.m. tomorrow. End. The show ends in 2 hours. Finish. When does this class finish? And leave. The train leaves in 5 minutes. So those verbs tend to be used in the future and the simple present. Same with open. Costco opens in 10 minutes. Or start. The game starts later today. Okay, so that was the simple present for the future, but let's look now at the present progressive for future plans. So use the present progressive for definite future plans. Definite means there is no doubt. The plan is often in the near future, not the far future, or the details of the plan, such as place or time, are specific, not general. So let's look at some examples of this. She's meeting us at the airport, or she is meeting us at the airport. So this is about the future, the near future, but instead of saying she will meet us or she is going to meet us, we can use the present progressive. She's meeting us at the airport. I'm not going to the concert tonight. So tonight is the near future. It's a definite plan. And so I can use the present progressive. I am not going. They're having dinner with their parents tonight. Again, tonight is the near future and the plan is definite. So it's okay to use the present progressive to talk about the future. Now, when the present progressive is used for the future, we often include a future time expression. And this is because it tells us we are talking about the future. So, for example, tonight is a future time expression. I'm having dinner with my mom tonight. Tomorrow, she's not going to work tomorrow. Next, whatever, next day, next week, next month, next year. So we're taking 3 classes next semester. So all of these have a time expression, tonight, tomorrow, next semester. And we can use the present progressive to talk about the future. I'm having, she's not going, we're taking. Okay, so please go ahead and practice now. And as always, don't forget to turn in your work on Canvas. Thank you all.